Welcome back to the channel, coin lovers and history enthusiasts. Today's video takes us back to a fascinating moment in American numismatic history as we explore the United States of America 5-cent coin dated 1946. At first glance, a 1946 nickel in normal, rusty or heavily worn condition may look ordinary, but behind its simple appearance lies an important story of post-war America, collector interest, and surprising auction results. Many people overlook these coins in old drawers and jars, yet certain examples have gained strong attention in the collector market, making them far more valuable than most imagine. Let's get started. First up, the 1946 5-cent coin marks a major turning point in U.S. coinage history. It was the first Jefferson nickel struck after World War II, symbolizing America's return to peacetime production. During the war years from 1942 to 1945, nickels were made with silver due to metal shortages, but in 1946 the U.S. Mint returned to the traditional copper-nickel composition. This coin represents economic recovery, industrial stability, and renewed confidence in the nation's future. Minted at Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco, the 1946 nickel quickly entered circulation and became part of everyday American life during the post-war boom. The obverse of the 1946 5 cents features a left-facing portrait of President Thomas Jefferson, designed by Felix Schlag. Jefferson's calm expression and strong profile reflect classical American ideals of leadership and democracy. The reverse displays Monticello, Jefferson's historic Virginia home, with crisp architectural details that are highly prized by collectors when well preserved. Although many circulated examples today show corrosion or surface damage, often referred to as rusty, this natural aging tells the story of decades spent in pockets, cash registers, and circulation across the country. Even in worn condition, the design remains instantly recognizable and historically significant. While the 1946 nickel was produced in large numbers, true rarity emerges when condition and strike quality are considered. Coins with strong details, minimal corrosion, and especially those showing full steps on Monticello are highly sought after by serious collectors. Even coins in normal rusty or corroded condition can attract interest when mint marks, die variations, or original surfaces are present. As the first post-war nickel, demand remains steady among collectors who value historical importance as much as visual appeal, keeping this coin relevant in today's numismatic market. In today's market, a 1946 5-cent coin in normal circulated or rusty condition typically carries a modest value, often ranging from a few dollars depending on eye appeal and surface preservation. However, auction records show that higher-grade examples, particularly those with sharp details or certified full-step designations, can reach impressive prices, sometimes climbing into the $600 to $10,000. These strong auction results demonstrate how condition, rarity, and collector demand can dramatically change the value of what many consider a common coin. The 1946 nickel should examine their coins carefully, paying close attention to mint marks, surface quality, and the clarity of Monticello steps. Even coins with corrosion should not be dismissed without proper evaluation, as unusual characteristics or original toning can increase desirability. Professional grading can add credibility and market confidence, especially for coins believed to be in above-average condition. Patience, research, and careful handling are essential when building a collection around historic 5-cent coins like this one. The United States of America 5 cents coin from 1946 is far more than just spare change. It is a powerful reminder of a nation transitioning from war to peace, captured in metal and preserved through generations. Even in normal rusty or worn condition, this coin holds historical value and collector interest, while top-quality examples continue to achieve big results at auction. Before dismissing an old nickel, take a closer look. You may be holding a small but meaningful piece of American history with surprising value in today's market. Next up, the 1954 5-cent coin was minted during a period of post-World War II economic growth in the United States. This era saw massive industrial expansion, rising consumer confidence, and increased coin production to meet everyday circulation needs. The Jefferson nickel design, first introduced in 1938, was created to honor Thomas Jefferson, the third President of the United States and author of the Declaration of Independence. By 1954, this design was already well established, yet the year itself became notable due to mint activity and production patterns, especially at the San Francisco Mint, which played a major role in shaping collector interest. The obverse of the 1954 5-cent coin features a left-facing portrait of Thomas Jefferson, designed by sculptor Felix Schlag. Jefferson's hair detail, facial structure, and the clear inscription of "In God We Trust" reflect the classic mid-20th century engraving style. The reverse showcases Monticello, Jefferson's historic Virginia home, with sharp architectural lines and the inscriptions E Pluribus Unum, Monticello, and 5 cents. In fine condition, The coin displays moderate, even wear, with major design elements still visible, making it especially appealing to collectors who value originality and honest circulation history. What truly elevates the 1954 5-cent coin is its rarity in certain mint issues, particularly the 1954 Jefferson nickel. Compared to other years, the San Francisco Mint produced a relatively lower number of nickels in 1954, making this date a key coin in the Jefferson nickel series. Collectors often seek this coin to complete date and mint mark sets, and even examples in fine condition are in steady demand. Additionally, collectors closely watch for known mint mark varieties, which can further increase desirability and auction competition. In today's coin market, a 1954 Jefferson nickel in fine condition generally sells for several dollars, depending on eye appeal and overall preservation. However, the 1954 issue stands out, often commanding noticeably higher prices due to its scarcity. At auctions, well-preserved fine-condition examples can reach strong two-digit dollar amounts, while higher-grade coins or certified examples have sold $700 to $20,000. Exceptional specimens with original surfaces and attractive toning consistently attract competitive bidding, proving that even a 5-cent coin can deliver big results. The 1954 5-cent coin, careful examination is essential. Always check the mint mark, as San Francisco issues are especially desirable. Look for even wear, clear lettering, and minimal surface damage, as these factors greatly influence value. Storing coins properly in protective holders and avoiding harsh cleaning can preserve their long-term appeal. If you believe you have a high-quality example, professional grading can add credibility and unlock stronger auction potential. The United States of America 5-cent coin from 1954 is a perfect example of how history, rarity, and collector demand can transform a small denomination into a valuable treasure. While it may have once passed through countless hands in everyday transactions, today it holds a respected place in the numismatic world. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just discovering the hobby, the 1954 Jefferson nickel in fine condition proves that big value can come from the smallest coins. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check your change. You never know what hidden gem you might find.